Yo guys, what's up? I took two back-to-back trades today on Layer and on Party, and I'm always live streaming and working with the Platinum tier group. And as soon as it broke down, I hopped in the live stream, like you can see here, live stream for like 1 hour, and we made a very big profit. My entire Discord group caught everything from the Platinum tier to the Premium tiers, everyone. And this is how it went. So there was basically a massive trend line that was forming a symmetric triangle like that. And I told everybody that if this one right there broke, okay, the lower high pattern, and then it breaks this higher low pattern, that's a big short opportunity. So everybody in the Discord group shorted it. Two back-to-back trades with Layer for 2,100 and then Party for 1,600. So not a bad day overall. I took some losses, but today I'm close to about $2,700 profit. And right now, guys, I'm telling you, April, we're going to ramp it up so hard. So if you guys are curious about joining my private live trading group, DM me, man.